Setting your grinder for automatic operation. Index your feed finger to the bottom of its full stroke. And press Operation Start. Ensure that you've selected your correct program by reading on the list and setting your dials to the appropriate locations. Lift off this place to ensure no dubbing during the grinding process. The Williams & White intelligent saw indexing limits your feed finger stroke, increasing your grinder output. Fully enclosed machine with mist extraction unit ensures safe working environments in your filing room. An automatic central lubrication system ensures excellent machine maintenance with limited operator interaction. Changing from V-top to facing or topping. Undo the plunge grind lock handle. Rotate your head to your normal facing or topping position. Retrieve your angle disc and return the lock handle to the storage position. Select the according lock disc for your appropriate angle. Return the lock disc of your chosen angle to the angle plate location. Lock pin in place. You'll notice on the lock pin there is a gnarled surface and a surface milled for your wrench. This is to enable you to quickly snug up and then use your wrench for lock. Your head is now in your facing topping position. Replace the plunge grind wheel guard with your topping and facing wheel guard. Just replace your plunge grind guard with your topping and facing wheel guard, and you are ready for either topping or facing mode. Setting of your feed finger is as easy as going up to the back of your feed finger and releasing a simple lock and changing your position on the scale. This changes the radial arc which your feed finger will fall. With the Williams & White ISI Intelligent Saw Indexing System, you never have to set up for different gullet lengths. Setting your depth of cut.